Warning: there are hazardous voltages associated with the installation of these products, which can cause death, serious injury, or property damage. Turn off power before working on this equipment. Only qualified employees can work on electrical equipment. When working near energized equipment, please wear PPE as specified in NFPA 70E. This video shows the installation of a 20-inch wide by 12-inch high blank door kit. This includes the installation of all applicable supports and hinges. Installation of other sized blank doors for Siemens tiastar MCCs will be very similar. Start by hooking the unit support assembly into the backplate of the section. This will serve as the top support for the door. Fasten the right side of the support to the backplate, and then fasten the left side of the cross tie to the left side of the section. Repeat the unit support installation for the lower support. Insert the top of the side support into the right side of the top unit support. Then screw down the lower tab of the side support to the bottom unit support. Fasten the two hinges to the left side of the section structure. Slide the door into position, resting the door hinges on the hinges attached to the structure. Insert the hinge pins into the hinges. If the hinges are too tight, the assistance of a hammer and screwdriver may be necessary. The door should swing freely into the closed position. Rotate the quarter-turn latch to secure the door against the gasket.